How to delete story archive on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete story archive on Facebook. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So to delete your story archive, first you'll need to find your archive. For that, go to your Facebook, make sure you're logged in. Then go to your menu on the bottom right. After you're on the menu section, you will need to simply go to your settings on the top right, scroll down until you find your activity and your activity log. After you're on your activity log, you should see the archive option on the top right. Top left, tap on it. And there you can see your archive. Now, what we'll do is we'll head over to our story archive, and there we are. So to delete a story archive on your Facebook, simply long press on a story, open that up, tap on the three dots on the top here. You can remove it from your highlights if you have it there. I'll just tap on delete this story and tap on delete. And it should take some time, but it's been deleted. And that's how you delete story archive on Facebook. And that's basically it for today's video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye. Take care.